Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's Einstein activity says 6 numbers are written from smallest to largest. Each identical shape is covering the same digit. So we have a series of 6 numbers and they're separated by commas. And some of our digits are not obvious and they have been coded. We have a blue diamond and we have a red oval. So the first thing I'm going to do is take note of all of the places that I see the blue diamond. We have one here in this first number, we have one in the second number, and we have one in the last. Now I'm going to consider the fact that we already have one identified. It's not one of the numbers that's coded. So that lets me know that this next one is not going to be a 1. I also know that it's not going to be a 3 because 3 is also written out. It's not a number that's coded. By default, I know the second number has to begin with a 2. We know this because they explain in the problem that the numbers are written from smallest to largest. So the first number is going to be in our 100s. The second number is going to be in our 200s. And the third number is going to be in our 300s. Now, because I figured out that the blue diamond is a 2, I can fill that in for all the other times I see a blue diamond. So we have a 2 here, we have a 2 here, and we have a 2 here. Now let's move on to the red oval. Well, the first thing I note is we have a 320 something and a 325 right next to each other. I know that this red oval has to be either 4, 3, 2, or 1 in value because it has to be less than the 325. In order for the numbers to still be written from smallest to largest, that last digit on the third number, 320 blank, has to be less in value than 325. Well, we already know that 1s are not one of the numbers that are coded. 2s are a number that's coded, but we realize that it's the blue diamond. 3s are not a number that's coded. So the red must be 4. So every time I see this shape, I'm going to write a 4. Then I'm going to look at these last 2 digits where I filled in the 4 and make sure that the numbers make sense in my sequence. So after the 325, we have 415, which is larger, and then we have 425, which is larger. So it looks like we're correct. So to answer the actual question of the problem, which was find the sum of the blue diamond and the red, we have an answer of 6. Here's tomorrow's Einstein activity. See if you can solve it before I do. Then head over to supereasymath.com and click on math videos. Once you're there, you can have access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.